we're struggling. We're still struggling. Oh, Mark 1 is getting the full strip down treatment. Very strippy boys. Axle's off. Taking off just this. The weird seized bolt in there that just doesn't want to come out. Jesus. Mark 1 is just being taken apart more and more, day by day. But that's nice. I want to get this complete so I can move on to the rest of the car because it's just pissing me off now. Whilst I have this open, I've been in there, epoxied it up, so that's fine. In the process of doing all of this, I found some more crusty rusty boys. There's 3 layers of metal here that are just hiding loads of rusticles inside.
Any ideas?
Did you know?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Go on.
Fun fact about the windscreens.
What?
Mark
They
1, Mark 2
break.
windscreens.
You can't take it out without breaking it.
Yeah, no. Mark 2 windscreens are smaller.
Yeah, it's a thicker rubber. They use
Thicker
different
rubber
rubbers.
because the glass costs more money than rubber. Same opening size.
That's so weird. They love a budget on the boy. They have the budgetiest boys. That's just good little trivia there. But yeah, okay, I'm just gonna start cutting this. I'm just gonna cut it out until I'm happy that the rust is gone. And yeah, and it'll be good.
Would you rather eat a baby deer or a matter baby?
Or what, baby?
A matter baby.
What is that?
A matter baby.
What is that?
A matter baby.
What's the matter, baby?
No.
Any ideas?
No! Chewy, speak to your boy, mate. Super long. Tiny little crevice, but extremely long. This is somewhat of where I want to be. So, to explain
Any
my
ideas?
idea a little bit better, I am going to weld in a plate going from this panel to this panel, just like so. And then weld this to there. So that will be all bloop bloop. And then once that's all bloop blooped, it will just be a case of adding another bit, just one more bit onto here, in there, and that will be that. That will be that.
How do you feel about undersill?
Who? Oh! Okay, so I spent some time, it's in the time lapse that I just filmed, spent some time trying to get the crap off this undersill, and it just doesn't want to come off. Heat it up and scraped it and everything, and it's just thick. In some areas it's really thick and
Any
doesn't want to
ideas?
come off. In some areas it's really thin and it doesn't want to come off. And it just doesn't want to. I'm gonna have to wire wheel all of it, and it's the worst.
That's what I'm
It's
having
a
to do in
mess.
there.
It's
Everywhere.
horrible.
No,
It's horrible.
that's just gross. Do you feel like you're on a roll?
No.
But your bonnet is.
Okay, so this has been a long day. Oh wow, that's actually very nice. Back to bare metal almost.
Just look,
Some surface
all
crust.
the crust, like everything.
Chewy.
Just
Chewy, what are you
covered
doing?
in crust. I'm trying to decrust.
Yeah, still some surface crust, but that's looking nice. I think that's looking pretty good. Chewy just wants to lick everything. Chewy! Chewy!
Everywhere is covered in rust. Even when it looks okay underneath the thing, take off the seal, and then there's stuff.
And there's crust. Clean her up,
ideas?
treat her up. Oh. Still having a struggly one with this here. I had rust on the underside of it here, and I've ground it down, like sanded it off, but I've like this is too thin now, so I need to cut that out and replace a new and put a new piece in. But that means that what I was gonna do before is just gonna be, I've got a different plan. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get one piece of metal to join this and this, and it will be that way. There won't even be a seam here, so where the water runs, it will just be a one continuous bit that's gonna go bloop. So join this onto there, and then make another one that goes from here to here, and then so like two L pieces basically, an L piece here and an L piece here, and then so after considerable faffery, as always, I have made up this little piece that's basically gonna live there, and then I need to make another one that will do exactly the same thing but from here to here, so like a bloop bloop. I've been faffing with this for way too long. I'm gonna go home and chill out, come back in the morning and then do the rest of it. Doing little bits like that, it's just annoying. It's just spend 3 days on like some tiny little thing and then just have nothing done. But it's alright. Slow and steady wins the race. I'm gonna go to bed. Bye.
Any ideas?
But scratcher. Hello. Good boy. Ooh. What you been doing? Cutting the boys up. You've cut the boy up. Making up little quarter boys. Make a slit and then bend it around. Is that what you've done? Yeah, and then bend it around.
Sliced it up, because you can't just bend back.
Yeah, how's this stuff welding? Is it alright to weld?
Yeah, it's alright. I'll probably do the backs.
Hi Chewy, you wanna have a look? Oh, he's got, mate, he knows the biscuits. He knows the biscuits are in. He's like, give me the sausages right now. Mate, good job that's nice. Yeah, that looks good with them holes with the dimple dies.
Get it chromed and have chrome quarter on.
Nice. Right, let's get the kettle on. Back to this. This needs to be welded in here. I'm doing it. Struggling on the boy, whilst I've been struggling with this boy. Ross is almost finished with his DIY quarter bumpers.
Any ideas?
Looks pretty legit. We was discussing how most quarter bumpers on people's cars look a bit bodgy, and like people just throw them together quickly and they're just not great. But that's nice. Without
Any ideas?
Having a bit of a stressful boy because that little repair thing that I'm doing isn't really working out for me. So I'm calling it a day, which is fine. Sometimes you just have to walk away from stuff. That's where I'm at with it. I have this bit all done and good and welded up. I'm happy with this, that's fine. It's strong and good and there are no holes or anything, but now I need to make up the rest of this here. And I'm having a bit of a difficult time with it. I hate working in a mess, so I feel like that's contributing to me having a bit of a struggly one. So yeah, I'm just gonna tidy up and then come back tomorrow into a clean working space and just try again. That's cool. I'm gonna leave it alone. Come back to it later. Just need to step away from it. Sweet.